Number 37. This is a question that I'm surprised is on the 5th grade EOG because it's very hard to do with 5th grade math. But anyway, Fred bought a shirt and a wallet for a total of $34.26 before tax. The price of the wallet was $15 less than the price of the shirt. What was the price of the shirt? So let's see what we have here. So total was $34.26. Okay, that's the total. The price of the wallet is 15 less than shirt, and the shirt is 15 more. Okay, then the wallet, then wallet. And it's asking what was the price of the shirt. So the shirt is 15 more than the wallet. Okay, so I can tell you a couple of ways to do this. One, all right, so one is actually just looking at the answer choices and then just doing trial and error, right? So if it says the shirt is $15 more, so what you could do with each of these, with each of these answer choices, you could literally just subtract 15 from it, and then add that with the answer choice, and see if it adds up to the total 34.26. So that would be a very good method to do this. Now I can show you. So the answer choices are 1925, 1983, 2463, and 2475. Now, I know that 19 minus 15 is 4. Okay? So that would mean that this would be, about $4 for the wallet. And this would also be somewhere around $4 or $5 for the wallet. Now I know that 19 plus 4 or 5 would not give me any answer that's close to 34.26. So I can just X these out without even having to do math. So the answer has to be one of these. Okay? So let me subtract 2463 minus 15. Remember, we're lining up the decimal. Okay? And the decimal always comes after on a whole number after the ones column. And I like to just throw in these zeros because they don't change the value and they just make it easier to subtract the decimal. So 3 minus 0 is 3, 6 is 6. Then you bring the decimal down, 4 minus 1, I can't do that. So I turn this into 1. 14 minus 5 is 9. So it's 963, and then I have to add 963 plus 2463. Okay? 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, bring this decimal. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. 1 plus 2 is 3. So that is the total. So the answer must be C. Okay? So that's how you do it with trial and error, which is not a great way to do it. I can show you two other ways to do it just quickly, although they might not be all that applicable for 5th grade math. But we can use, one thing I did was I did 34/26, and then if I divide that by 2, okay? So I take half of 34/26. Then what I would do is for the shirt, since it is the shirt, they're asking for the shirt price, which is $15 more, okay, because it said the wallet was 15 less. If the shirt price is 15 more, I can end up adding half of 15 to the halfway point, okay? So 34 divided by 2, 34/26 divided by 2, I can just okay, bring the decimal up here. 2 goes into 3 one time. 2, 1, 14, which would be 7 minus 14, 0, 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. Okay, minus 2, 0, 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So we're at 1713. And I know that if I add half of 15 to it, now this is a little tricky, but if I add half of 15, which is $7.50, right? $7.50 is half of $15, then that would mean that I would have, it would be, there would be $15 between the wallet and the shirt, and it would, so it would give us the answer. So let's just see, 3, 6, 7 plus 7, 14, 2, 2463. Okay? That is a little tricky. And another way to do it, which I don't think you'll get to until well into middle school, is just straight algebra, which I can make variables, and it becomes x. Okay? So let's just say that the price of the shirt that we're looking for equals x. Then it would be 2. Okay, so 2, actually, let's just make it, okay. So it would be 2 and then x, okay, 2 times x. Let's just make this y. 2 times y, okay, and then minus 15 equals 3426. Okay, so then you would basically add 15 to both sides. I mean, I don't even know why I'm going over this because it's just straight algebra. But anyway, I would add 15 to both sides and then divide this one by 2, and it would give you the same thing. But this is, I don't even know why this question is on here. It is far too complicated for 5th grade EOG, and the best thing to do probably in this case would just be to do trial and error and figure out which answer choice makes sense. And C is the only one that makes sense.